Hey y'all, Coasters and Travels here. Starting off with MonteZooma's Revenge. Earlier this year I talked about the current state of the ride and I gave this prediction. Call me an optimist, but I believe we'll hear something from Knott's Berry Farm later this year. Could it be news of a grand 2025 reopening? Well, that's wishful thinking, but time will be the ultimate storyteller. Not only I was correct, but it was announced much sooner than I expected. Work is resuming on our reimagination of MonteZooma's Revenge. Get ready to launch into new thrills when MonteZooma, the Forbidden Fortress, opens in 2025. This is fantastic news, and I'm sure a lot of fans are thrilled that work is resuming on this iconic coaster. It's definitely a reason to make a return visit to Knott's Berry Farm next year. If you're excited about MonteZooma's Revenge, let me know in the comments. If you've been on social media recently, then you might already know the following news, but for those who don't, this is for you. King's Dominion and Carowinds have gone away with the Intimidator name on their respective coasters. The license to use the Intimidator name ended on December 31st, 2023. As a result, both parks needed a new name. In Carowinds, Intimidator was renamed Thunderstriker, with the section of the park named Thunder Road. This was done to recognize the area's history with stock car racing. In King's Dominion, Intimidator 305 was changed to Project 305, which seems to be a temporary name. Details of the coaster formerly known as I-305 will be released at a later time. Rampage over at Alabama Adventure will be closed for the 2024 season due to getting a retrack. The park incurs a hefty maintenance bill every season to keep Rampage in good shape, so this season they're installing steel tracks on the most stressful parts of the ride. I've covered this in more details in the previous video, so check out the link above to hear more about Rampage. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to Coasters and Travels. Your support goes a long way. Finally, some news about Skyrush. The coaster, sometimes known as Die Crush, is getting brand new seats and restraints. This was announced on Hershey Park's social media with the following words. Skyrush at Hershey Park is getting a first-class upgrade with all new seats and restraints for the 2024 season. Looking at the picture, they look very similar to Velocicoaster restraints. Coming from someone who rode Velocicoaster, those restraints were one of the most comfortable restraints I've ever experienced. If Hershey Park is able to match that level of comfort on Skyrush, I can see this coaster shooting up on everyone's ranking. I told myself I would give this coaster another try, and now I have no excuse. Guess I'll be at Hershey Park later this year. What are your thoughts about the new restraints? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time.